All right, so today I'm going to review this mixed denomination money counter by DEMOTIO. Let's get to it. All right, nice packing. All right, looks like a little air ball, a little duster, power supply, a little window display. Wow, hopefully it's not that beat up. And then the machine. Like a cover. All right, this is what you get. This is how it's packed. That's pretty heavy. It probably weighs about 20 pounds. Here's the power cord to accompany these here. So let's look at it. Here you have the soft plastic fingers for handling the money. This is where you'll insert it. Power switch. Here, this is where you'll plug in the extra screen. Let's go ahead and just do that now. Actually, let's see what it says on the back side here. Well, it doesn't say anything. And they'll plug in the power supply. And this will just plug in right back here. Like such. All right, here are the instructions. DEMOTIO, MA-80E USD value counter. So this will count multiple different denominations of bills at the same time. Comes with a power cord, rubber dust blower / cleaning brush. All right, so this is calibration paper right here that it comes with, calibration paper. Oh, and then this is the dust cover for the machine right here. Nice. All right, so let's fire this thing up. So I have a little portable power supply here that I'm just gonna turn on. And then we will go behind here and just hit the power switch. And it's woken up. DEMOTIO. Nice LED screen. You can see these some nice soft buttons. All right, so there's the display. Looks good. I'll go ahead and peel this off. This machine is made from, feels like high quality hard plastic, probably like an ABS of some sort. It's nice. There we go. See you later. All right, so it's gonna, on the screen here, you can see it does batch, auto, counterfeit detection. The details does $100 bills, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. It gives you a total piece count here, as well as the total value. All right, so let's try this out. Got a big stack of money. They want the bottom bills going in first, and the top bills going in last. So I've got it set up on manual, and it's count, and I'll just start. So it's in count mode. It's showing 140 bills. For accuracy, let's just run it through again. What do you say? I'll just flip it around this way. Hit start. There we go, 140. Let's do it one more time. $140. So it's accurately running through all the bills. Okay, so I have some money here. I have 14 bills, $330 in total. And I'm just going to stick it in here and see how it does. It's all mixed denominations. There's 5s. Actually, let's go like this. Put the 5 in the middle. Mix it up a little bit. See what it does. And hit start. 14 pieces, 330. So it's showing here there's one $100 bill. There's no 50s. There's 11 20s and 2 5s. 1, 2, 3. There's 100. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 $20 bills. And then we have 2 $5 bills. So that's accurate. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll stick the $100 bill in the center here. And then we'll put 1 5 in the beginning and 1 5 at the end and see how it does. Just stick that in, hit start. Again, there we go, accurate count. 100, there's 11 $20 bills and 2 5s. Total of $330, 14 pieces. Say that's accurate. Okay, let's test the feature on this to detect fake money. So I have a play $100 bill here, and I'm just going to put it in the stack and see what it does. Start. And this is the bill it's saying. Right here you can see error code 4, length, width. It doesn't like the image. And there it is, in fact, play money right here. Motion picture use only. So, all right, let's start it again. And it continues to count. So it shows us we have 14 bills, $330. And it weaned out the one that it did not like, which is correct. Now, I have a $10 bill here. Same thing. Let's just jam it in here and see what it does. All right, here it is. It does not like this bill. Motion picture use only. Go ahead and continue the count. 14 pieces, 330. One more time. There it is. 14, 330. Very accurate. So let's talk about the functions of this machine. This machine is capable of counting 1,000 bills per minute. It's for a US denomination currency. It's got different modes. Right now it is set up for a mixed mode, batch, manual, which is start, and then the counterfeit detection is on. So we can push the mode button, and now it's in single mode. So this just means that if you have, say, right here, I've got a bunch of $20 bills. They're all single. It's just going to count the single, take those 5s out. It's going to count the single denomination of the bills. So we'll start it this way. Start. And it's showing that there's 11 pieces. It's all the same denomination for $220. If we go to the next mode, which is count, now it's just going to count how many bills are here. So hit start. So 11, it's not going to give a value. So like if I take all these bills right here, let's run them through, and it's just going to give a total bill count. $108 bills. Let's run it through one more time just to demonstrate how accurate this is. There we have it, 108 bills. Next mode, you'll see it's mixed. So this is where it counts mixed denomination of currencies. You can see the counterfeit detection is on. So that is where we can take all of this here, they're in no rhyme or reason, no order, and just mix it up. And you can see that the bills there's some front ways, some back ways. And, there's no real order to it. And I'm just going to jam them in here and then hit start. 14 bills, and see it counts up it separates it and gives you a total. So this has the counterfeit detection as well as the dimension detection. So it will not only detect in the counterfeit bills to make sure that the metal thread in the money is correct, as well as the paper, the thickness, and all. It detects the ink, and also with the DD, the dimensions, the money is the proper size. You can turn it on and off by just hitting on here. So you see the counterfeit detection features are off, and now the dimension detection is off. And then here you'll see manual or auto. All it does for that is if I want to manually start, hit start, let it count. So when auto mode is on, you can just take your money, put it in, and it just automatically starts. So function-wise, I like to have it in manual mode and in mix. I've got the counterfeit detection and the dimension detection on. I like that, and then I just start it myself. Okay, another feature I'd like to demonstrate is this machine has batch mode. So what batch mode is it's counting a predetermined number of bills. So say you have $20 bills and you want it to stop every $100. So what I would do is I'd hit batch, I'd enter 5, and then go back to batch. Now you see right here, there's a 5 on there entered. Then, if this were all 20s, it's mixed, but then I'd put my money in, and I would hit start. And now you see, there's 5 pieces. That's the batch for a total of 100. There we go, 5. And then there was only 4 left in here because we only had 14 total. So, and that's how it happens. That's the way the counter works for the batch. In order to clear batch, we'd go to batch and then hit just over here a 0. You can see it goes 500 and then back to 0. And then I just hit the batch mode again, and now it's zeroed out. So my overall impression of this machine is I'm happy with it. I really like it. I think it's a great value for the money. It does everything it said it would do. It hasn't screwed up like in the past other machines that I've gotten and reviewed. They jam very easily. This didn't jam at all. The counterfeit detection works great. The only issue I have is this little screen to show the bill count and all that. It came not working, and you can see it's kind of beat up. It looks like, I don't know, maybe it was dropped or whatever, but I don't need that screen anyway. So that's for and also for the price range, I must say, this is on the bottom end of the price range for a machine that counts mixed denominations. And, like I said, it's great. It hasn't screwed up. So I'm happy with it. I think it's a great value for the money, and I recommend it.